So the first step is going to be installing the curl or the cur command. It is a command line tool for getting or sending files using URL syntax. Enter the following command in your terminal. Enter your sudo password. Yes. So curl is now installed on your system. Let's move on to the next step of installing the prerequisites. Click on the link given in the description. This will take you to the documentation page of Composer. As you can see, there are a lot of modules which are needed before running Composer. So instead of installing them individually, we are going to run the script file which is provided. Copy the code and head over to the terminal. I am switching to a new directory which I have created. Paste the code and it will download the script file. Using the chmod command will make the script file executable. If you try to run the script on Ubuntu version 18.04, codename Bionic, it will give you an error saying Bionic is not supported. To solve this, open the script file and add the codename Bionic to the list of supported versions on line 27. Once you fix this, your script will execute successfully. Next step is installing the development environment. There are a few useful command line tools for Composer developers. The most important one is Composer CLI, which contains all the essential operations. So we'll install that first. Next, we'll also pick up the generator Hyperledger Composer, Composer REST Server, and Yeoman. Those last three are not core part of the development environment, but they'll be useful if you're following the tutorial or developing applications that interact with your business network. So we'll get them installed too. Install Playground locally on your development machine, giving you a UI for viewing and demonstrating your business network. As most users will prefer working in an IDE, we will install Visual Studio Code as Composer extension is available for it. Install VS Code from the Ubuntu Software Center. Open VS Code and go to Extension. Then search for Hyperledger Composer and install the extension from the marketplace. In this step, we will install a local Hyperledger Fabric runtime to deploy a business network. In a directory of your choice, in this case we are using Fabric Dev Servers, get the archive file that contains the tool to install Hyperledger Fabric. Unzip the archive file and set the Fabric version to version 1.2 or the latest stable version. Once the version is set, execute the download Fabric shell script. And that's it. Congratulations! Now you have installed everything required for the typical developer environment. To control your Hyperledger Fabric runtime, you can use the set of scripts which you can find in the Fabric Dev Servers directory. Execute the start Fabric shell script, which will create instance of all the required components of the network, then generate a peer admin card. To start the Composer Playground, simply enter composer-playground and it will redirect you to your browser where you can explore your network or create other sample networks from the list.